Actually, my dear all my viewers, my friends, for the time being, I am just standing in a huge fair on the occasion of the Mahashivratri. This fair every year organized in this place of the place name is Rambagh in a super city Dineshpur. And before the Shivratri, 3 days, 4 days ago, the fair has already started till after 1 week. So today I have already come here along with my children to visit in a fair. So you can watch some of the audience enjoying by the swing in the fair. This is the round circle. They are shouting, they are spreading, and they are smiling, laughing, and everyone are enjoying. There are not a small fair. It's very huge temple in this fair, and there are number of the swing has already placed in this fair, and you can watch. I'm just going to express my feeling by the capturing on my word to explaining whatever I am watching and observing. So this is a huge fair, and it's not much crowded, but day by day there are number of the crowded come here along with their family, with their relative in this particular place of the Rambagh, and you can watch. They are just spreading by the swing here and there, but it's very, when I see, so I am also spreading, and there are number of the people have already by the wearing the new clothes along with their children, and small kids are, this is the jumping, not a jumping, but teddy bear of the kids, and they are enjoying by the jumping, and there are number of the people come here for purchase, enjoy along with their family, relative, and everyone enjoying. I also come here along with my children because they told me, Papa, we are not feeling well, so that's why I also made a plan. So you can watch along. This is the small kids, small girls is also enjoying by the swing alone. And we can't say it's very costly. It is there are only for 2 people are played in this swing, so that's why it is not running. There are number of the shops has already placed for eating, for enjoying, for spending, and I'm just going to explain. This is the, you can watch, hang for 2 minutes. Within a 2 minutes you have to hang in a particular his stick, and after that within a 2 minutes you have to pay the 50 rupees for 2 minutes. If you complete your 2 minutes by the hanging on this, the person is ready to hang. So you can watch. He is checking if I am comfortable or not within a 50 rupees, and after that if he will win, so after that he will take the 500 rupees after 2 minutes. So he is checking their capacity, their power. So he has already hung, but I think we have already seen there are number of the people has already hung. Some of the girls I have already captured their activity, but they could not comfortable. So it's not a big deal. So you can watch. Everyone are capturing activities in their mobile and enjoyed a lot. You can watch. He is my younger son. He enjoyed a lot by the watching, and we are just looking for my elder children because you can watch. This is the water balls and traditional food of the Bengalis, because Bengali community live here most. So this is the line, this is the queue is also only for fast food, snacks, and any other things. So, and there are number of the shops has already placed by the purchasing, by the eating, and everyone has already eating some of the snacks, and you can watch almost the shop are very fully of the crowded because everyone has already depend of the fast food nowadays. fast food Fast food plays a major role in the nowadays. Everyone has already youngest and small kids also depend on the fast food, so that's why. So you can watch, this is the toys shop for the children, and children purchase some of the toys for enjoy, for fulfill their dream by the playing. And there are number of the shops has already, this area has already covered by the shop of the eating and fast food. And nowadays really sir, I'm just watching, observing, almost the people are just depend on the fast food. So that's why, because upcoming of the generation, they are not ready to prepare at their house, and they totally depend on the fast food. And there is no any shop where there is not fully of the crowded, because whatever they are selling, whatever they are preparing, everyone are enjoying by the eating. And you can watch, my both are the kids are eating the papad and chole of the boiled. So that's why I'm just capturing by the moving here and there, because I'm not afraid to capturing all of the activity. And some of the juice shop has been placed here, and mostly people surround this area who live 20 kilometer far. They surround the 20 kilometer far at this place, so they come along with their family. And you can watch, I am just capturing all of the activities is going on. So I think you have to enjoy your life, and if you get a chance to come here day by day, because it is the circle of the life, and we have to forget everything, overcome our stress by the standing, by the when we come here along with our family. So we can reduce our all of the activities, and sometimes we understand really it is the meaning of the real life. So I just explained on my word whatever I'm observing, and I am fully of the excited, fully of the enjoyment by the standing here and capturing, and keep on enjoying. You can both, my both are the children come here for enjoyment.